Today we're going to talk more about knowing your insurance policy. And one of the things you should understand, and we run into this a lot with our clients in the field, is people just are not clear on what's covered. Eric here, Blue Nail Roofing, and you should know that the insurance policy, obviously there's lots of words, it's a super thick package of paper, and I would say 97% of people out there do not know what's in it. And that's okay, because we're going to try to clarify that in simple terms here for you on our channel. So like, subscribe, comment to get more of that information. But again, insurance company is going to cover sudden and accidental damage. That's basically the nuts and bolts of what is covered in an insurance policy. So if something happens suddenly and accidentally, it's covered, right? I'll tell you a quick story. I actually had a customer who on Halloween had got intoxicated, and they actually fell into their drywall in two places, made a hole in the wall, and then went into the shower and fell in the shower and broke through the wall of the shower. Well, after I came over and talked with them, I said, guess what? That was both sudden and it was accidental. We should file a claim for it. So we did file that claim, and guess what? Insurance adjuster came out. They agreed to pay for the damage. They asked what happened. Told them, hey, it's Halloween, intoxicated, fell through the wall, fell through the shower, and it was all covered because it was sudden and accidental. That's something most people would think, oh, I mean, they wouldn't even think to fathom that that might be covered by insurance, but again, sudden and accidental. Now, what you need to know on the flip side of that, insurance is not covering anything that's not sudden and accidental. So we run into a lot of situations where there'll be rotted boards, or maybe a tree had overgrown and rubbed a hole in the roof, right? These are deferred maintenance items. They're not sudden and accidental because that tree didn't grow overnight. The wind didn't blow it, start rubbing that roof in a moment's notice, right? Also, when you have rotted wood, that's an ongoing thing. It's typically lack of paint or some kind of water issue causing that wood to rot, and that would not be covered by insurance. So understanding what's sudden and accidental and what is deferred maintenance or basically rot, damage over time, would not be covered. So we think that's important, so take that into consideration. And again, subscribe to our channel to get a lot more info.